Enter Albert Einstein, a late talker, a dreamer who hated authority. His obsession was a simple thought experiment. What if you could chase a beam of light? This question collided with a new discovery. Light's speed was constant, an uncheckable cosmic speed limit that broke Newton's rules of motion. The stage was set for a revolution. In 1905, Einstein published his special theory of relativity, weaving space and time into a single fabric, space-time. But gravity remained the puzzle. A decade later, his masterpiece arrived, general relativity. He proposed that mass doesn't pull, it warps. Planets don't orbit because of a force. They roll along the curves in space-time created by the sun, like a marble in a bowl. This perfectly explained Mercury's errant orbit. Newton's force was an illusion created by the geometry of the universe itself. So, if Einstein dethroned Newton's central idea, why is profound reverence? The answer lies in the nature of progress. Newton constructed the entire stage. He built the concepts of force, mass, and universal law from a foundation of superstition. He gave us the tools, the mathematics, and the confidence to analyze nature. Einstein didn't defeat Newton, he completed the cathedral Newton designed. Einstein saw that his own revolutionary work was only possible because Newton had first dared to map the unknown. Without Newton's clear, if imperfect, laws, there is no platform from which to leap into the curved universe of relativity. That is the mark of ultimate genius, to build a foundation so solid it can support your own replacement. This journey through their minds reveals more than a winner. It shows how truth is built layer by layer. If this exploration changed your perspective, show the algorithm you value deep dives. Please give this video a like and subscribe to Wines of Thought. We'll see you in the next one. What if the greatest genius in history wasn't who you think? Two names tower above all others in science, Isaac Newton and Albert Einstein. We constantly debate their brilliance, but modern experts often point to a surprising winner, and even Einstein himself agreed. Who is the true giant? And why does the world's most famous genius, Einstein, defer to a man he proved wrong? Welcome to Wines of Thought. The story of gravity, the force that shapes our universe, is really a story of two revolutionary minds. One gave us a clear, mathematical law. The other revealed that law was an illusion. Let's do a simple test. I drop this apple. Newton says it falls because an attractive force, gravity, pulls it to Earth. Einstein says that's completely false. There is no pulling force. Instead, the apple is motionless in its frame and the Earth's surface is accelerating up to meet it. Which one is right? Or are they both somehow correct? This single contradiction opens a door to a deeper reality. We were taught a beautiful lie to understand a complicated truth. Why do we still teach Newton's version in schools if it's incomplete? Why did the man who fixed Newton's biggest error call him the unparalleled genius? Was Einstein just humble, or did he see something we often miss? Today, we'll unravel this intellectual duel to discover who truly stands tallest. To understand Newton's genius, we must go back to a world shrouded in darkness. In 1633, Galileo Galilei was forced to renounce his discoveries, imprisoned for stating the Earth moved around the sun. He died in 1642, a silenced voice of reason. That same year, in a small English village, Isaac Newton was born. His story began with trauma, a father he never met, a mother who left him, a childhood filled with isolation and rage. He later confessed to violent fantasies against his family. Yet, from this bitterness emerged an unmatched focus. Rescued from life as a farmer by a perceptive teacher, he went to Cambridge. There, he found himself taught ancient, incorrect physics from Aristotle. He rebelled, dedicating himself to the truth of Galileo and Kepler. He asked a profound question: is the force pulling an apple down the same one holding the moon in its orbit? To answer this, he had to invent an entirely new branch of mathematics, calculus. With this tool, he forged his universal law of gravitation, publishing the monumental Principia Mathematica. He had, for the first time, given humanity a rulebook for the cosmos. The universe seemed solved, but a tiny crack appeared. The orbit of Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun, didn't follow Newton's perfect predictions. It wobbled. Scientists invented a hidden planet, Vulcan, to explain it. It didn't exist. Newton's framework, while majestic, was beginning to fracture.